Hello welders. Today we're going to talk about how to apply a weave to your linear welds. We're going to start in the Beacon app. In the parts library, first select the part that you'd like to edit. Once the part's selected, you can select the point that you'd like to edit. From here, turn the weave on and save. And there you have it. A weave has been applied to your weld. Let's see how it looks. And that shows you just how easy it is to apply a weave to a linear weld using the ESAB Cobot. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep it simple. Cobot.